Alright, so I need to move this, swing this over, give me some clearance. So this is a 12 millimeter, this is a 14. The other side of this is 12. The other side of this is a 19. So I'm gonna loosen this up first. You loosen the shorter one, the smaller ones first. Well, actually, I already loosened it earlier. So I don't think you need to do the other side with this, because this is, I think it's only on one side for this bolt. Yes, it's only on one side. So only one side there. So this one is both sides. This is an actual bolt that goes all the way through, because it's a swing arm. So you notice that I'm not spinning from this side. I'm spinning from the other side. That's because the other side is where the nut is, and you want to spin it where the nut is, not the whole bolt. Because the whole bolt is because the whole bolt goes all the way through, so you have all the resistance all the way through, and when you're trying to spin this thing, you don't want to do that. You want to have the least amount of resistance. So this is off already. I should be able to just swing it over, I think. Let's see how that works. So here I am thinking this was going to be a quick, simple 5-minute install. It turns out to be more than that. Let's see, do an angle. Good angle so you guys can see. So I already got this one out. So this thing should just move a little bit. Okay, so now I moved it a little bit. Now I have enough clearance for this bolt that I had difficulty earlier. So it's the back bolt back there. Okay. These little ones should be shit, I don't remember what the torque on this time. It's not very much. It's only like 5 or 6 foot-pounds. It's really light. So I don't even use a torque wrench. I just use my hands. I just go by feel, I should say. I shouldn't say use my hands. Obviously, I'm using my hands. But I mean, go by feel. So I hope this mod makes the shifter feels better. Because the shifter feels kind of, sloppy. Oops. Notice where I'm holding it like this. No, I'm not holding it all the way, because you don't, and these are small bolts, small threads, so you don't need to be torquing it down all that hard. Doesn't make any sense. I can't do that because there's stuff in the way right here, so I just have to do it here, but I have to be very light. And that's it. That's good. Put this thing back right here. That's just one bolt. This is a small bolt. I'm not sure what 12 millimeter head. I'm not sure what the torque is on this one. I don't think it's that much. It's probably maybe 20 foot-pounds, 15 or 20 foot-pounds, no more than 20. I'm just gonna use my regular socket wrench and turn it. It wasn't very tight to begin with, so I'm gonna call that good there. So it's good there. I could put this back up. Now remember, I had talked about when I first took this off in the previous video. I talked about be mindful of where your level of your shifter is, so you don't want to lose that. So I think I'm right there. Yep, I think that's the same spot. It's right there. Now it needs to be one tooth off, and it's totally off. and it totally won't feel right. Your toe clearance won't be right. So again, I don't know if this is gonna help. If this bracket's gonna help if it does anything or not, but hopefully it does. All right, so I just need to tighten up the swing arm nut on the other side, and I'll be done. And it's a 19mm swing arm nut. Looking at this thing, this is like the same size as the wheel axle, so I would say this is probably around at least 60 foot-pounds. Somewhere between 60 to, I'm not gonna say 80. I think 80 is too high, but it's gonna be at least 60 foot-pounds, maybe even 70 foot-pounds. I'll look in the service manual and see what it says. So yeah, so that's it for this end anyways. Thanks for watching.